About valency. What is valency? The combining capacity of an element. It is called as valency. For example, sodium element. Its atomic number is 11. Its electronic configuration is 281. Hence, the outermost electron is sodium 1. Hence, it is valency is sodium also 1. Next, chlorine. Chlorine atomic number is 17. Its electronic configuration is 287. Hence, the chlorine element electronic configuration 287. Its valence is 1. The hydrogen atomic number is 1. Its electronic configuration is 1. Its valence electron 1 and valence is also 1. Such type of other element, I am going to some questions. Complete the chart. What is the atomic number of helium, electronic configuration? Yes.
Helium atomic number is 2. Helium electronic configuration is 2. Helium valence electron is 2. Helium valence is 0.
Right. Next.
Lithium atomic number is 3. Lithium electric carbon configuration is 2, 1. Valence electron is 2, 1, 1. Valence is 1.
Right. Next. What is the atomic number of beryllium? Yes.
Atomic number of beryllium is 4. Electronic configuration of beryllium is 2, 2. Valence electrons of beryllium is 2 and valency of beryllium is also 2.
Right. Sit down.